Today we are going to discuss about safe entry into trenches. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be take. Hazard number 1. Unsafe access causing falls into trench. Use ladders or safe access points. Hazard number 2. Trench collapse during entry. Ensure proper shoring or support systems. Hazard number 3. Slippery surfaces while entering. Keep entry points clean and dry. Hazard number 4. Lack of proper inspection before entry. Inspect trench conditions before entering. Hazard number 5. Poor visibility inside trench. Provide adequate lighting and clear access.